Good morning, Rutgers. I'm WeatherWatcher Connor Woodcock here with your morning forecast for Tuesday, December 3rd, 2024. Right now here in New Brunswick, we have cold temperatures at pretty much at the freezing mark, mostly clear skies. Winds bringing the feels like temperature down to 28 degrees. Those winds coming in from the west-northwest, 5 miles per hour, but we're gusting up to 15 to 20 miles an hour. Something to keep in mind as we get into the afternoon hours today. And humidity at 70%. For your overnight temperature tonight, we'll have a brisk temperature of 21 degrees, although I wouldn't expect the wind. I would expect the wind chill to be lower than this, mostly clear skies. Wind chill lower to this because of those winds coming from the west 5 miles per hour, but gusting up to 15 to 20 miles an hour still. And then tomorrow morning, we'll have a sunrise of 7:04 a.m. For your headlines going into today, we'll have some. Our main headlines are these two first ones with rain and snow expected tomorrow morning as the cold front starts to move through our area. And then Thursday morning, we could see some snow showers possibly accumulating on cold surfaces, especially in the northern half of the state. And then after Thursday, we're pretty much having those cold temperatures remaining, actually a little bit colder than what we've been having today and yesterday, with the highs in the mid to upper 30s across the state. For your current temperatures across the southern half of the state, we're pretty much in the freezing mark, warming up to 33 in most areas. Our cold spot of 28 degrees in Mays Landing and 29 in Toms River. And pretty much the same here in the northern half of the state. Some colder spots in the mountainous areas in Hackettstown and Lafayette, but we're pretty much in the freezing mark, if not a little bit warmer than that, for the rest of the state as well. For your class forecast today, we're pretty much fine in the rain and snow department, but I would say that I put these fair markings for the last two class blocks because of those cold conditions that we could be expecting. So for the 7:30 to 8:50 block, I would expect temperatures in the high 20s to low 30s. And if you have this very late evening class, I would expect temperatures in the mid 20s. But those wind chills will be pretty bit lower than that due to those high winds that we could be expecting, especially going into tonight. So something to keep in mind if you have those very late evening classes going out for that commute. For your surface map today, we'll have a high pressure system off in the Midwest, southern Illinois. That's pretty much keeping our area dry apart from a few clouds making its way through our area. But come tomorrow, that high pressure system is moving south, and we can start to see a cold front starting to move through the northern half of the state, accompanied by this low pressure system. And this is what's going to be coming down to the east and delivering us those chances of showers and snow, as this is a pretty strong cold front as well. So that low pressure system is pretty much situated all directly over Ottawa. That's going to be delivering us some rain and snow for Wednesday evening, and then snow showers on Thursday morning, which could impact your travel on rush hour travel on Thursday morning, depending on where those showers end up. So something to keep in mind as we wake up Thursday morning. How much snow can we expect? Pretty much only a trace, if that, for most of the state in the southern half. Here in the central northern portions of the state, we can expect a coating to an inch if we're lucky, or unlucky if you don't like the snow. And then in the very northwestern portions of the state, we can expect 1 to 2 inches in areas like Sussex and Lafayette, especially in the high elevation areas. For your 7-day forecast, we'll be starting off with mostly sunny skies today with a low of 21 and high of 41. High of 41s for Wednesday and Thursday as well. But we do have those alerts for the rain and snow. Rain and snow Wednesday evening, and then change over to morning snow, snow showers, I should say, come Thursday morning, with a low of 34 and 27 respectively on Wednesday and Thursday. For the rest of the week, we'll have mostly sunny skies on Friday with a high of 36. Starting your weekend, we'll have a high of 39 with mostly cloudy skies. And on Sunday, sunny skies with a high of 43. And on Monday, a chance of rain showers with a high of 48. So feel free to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. I'm WeatherWatcher Connor Woodcock. Have a great day, Rutgers.